viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. I don't know, so Newlink there from Newlink production, right? Alright about now, people. Even though me in my glass, me ain't no pretty nothing, me ain't no good mood right about now. You understand? Because right about now, people, when me Newlink I go talk about now, I definitely attack, straight attack, and no joke attack, no play attack, a real, yo. You see where me feel right now, people? Me ain't no laughing. Me serious, because you know, this brother and this piece of sitting here now, people. You understand? What them sentence right about now, Friday gone, you know, them sentence him to death in the USA over Florida there. And this man is a Jamaican now, people. He's 40 years old now. Zine? And it is said that now, with him case, you know, people, back in 2014, this man rape a little 9-year-old girl. You understand? And then kill her. This piece of sitting, you know, who left Jamaica, you know. And them say now, people, as me I go tell you what happened now, what the full thing what them say him do, you know. It is said that he, right, the little girl and her grandmother go visit this brother, you know. This piece of sitting, you know, then go visit him. So the grandmother must have gone around about there. While this piece of sitting, take the look of 9-year-old girl now, rape her and then go dump her at the people. Them make police make search and investigation, and when them done, them find him out and find out him and everything. Zin? And now people, when them question him, you know, in 2014 pertaining to the murder, you understand? Him admits him do it. And him say now, Zin, he moved to the USA 8 years ago. So he's living in the USA for 8 years. Zin? And next thing now, people, when me I tell them, yo, you see this world, yeah? You see this world? So at the time, you know, when I pray the thing, you know, he's 40 years old now. That girl is 9. That girl would be like 14 now. You understand? While he at the time, he maybe 36, 35. Me just can't come to terms. Yo, people. Then now, him liar now, people, cause him liar speak and I try to make them take the death penalty or whatever half him people. Him liar go say now, this man grew up in a very poor part in Jamaica, from a very inner city, you know, a poor part where violence and crime is, and it affect him brain, because so you go tell me, say now, him grew up in a very poor part of Jamaica, right? Which we know, so they have plenty poor part in Jamaica, and they are saying that, so, him grew up in a poor part, so affect him brain, but he's now in the United States of America for 8 years, right? So when them comes to boom now, and them make some contact and call him family them to speak about him before them slap him with the life sentence and everything. You know family them say back in Jamaica? Them say he was a very nice and intelligent man. And him take care of people in a community and help whole heap of youth and everything. So you are going to tell me, say now, if he can finance take care of youth in Jamaica and do all of that and is, you understand? So you are going to tell me, say him head sick. He made no good. Eh? And him there USA for 8 years, say 8 years he didn't have nothing. Yes, you see, touch him, cheer him, pin him up, everything, game it, ship him out. I hope, when me say, I hope all film body, they fi dumping or some, you know what I mean? That nothing come back down the yard. Eh? How can you get an opportunity to leave Jamaica and go better yourself? And that you put yourself in with a little 9-year-old picnic. Look how much woman there America. Look how much woman there all over America. You have woman in Miami, you have woman in Florida, you have woman in every state. You can think of thousands of Hispanic, black, Chinese, white, pink, purple, all type of woman. And you manage to find yourself go put it with a 9-year-old, you look a pedophile. Yo. Think a joke thing this. The people, I feel it. Look on the nice looking 9-year-old girl. What this girl could have do to you? And the boy admits him do it. Eh? No, sentence to death. Cheer him. Electric him. Hang him. Anything what they want, give him it. Me no check. I ain't sorry for him. None at all. That him no word to be a part of this society. All the pain when put that little girl through. And the people, the little girl family, even the grandmother, even the mother. Tell you boy, people, you see now this world, yeah, we have some type of people to go amongst and deal with we don't even know. That's why when I hear Newlink say it all the while, and I watch the video and I listen, be careful of the people around your surroundings. You don't know who to trust. Because if you look on the piece of certain people, you can see the piece of certain look like, say, you that be somebody decent or somebody who you can't trust, don't it? In a little jacket, suit and everything, you want to take something and... yo. A joke thing. Yo, people, feel it. I'm serious, no joke. Zane, but my viewers and my subscribers, you don't know, you know. This is Newlink, and this is, yo, I tell the people. So, yo, how me can say ladies out there, fathers, protect your youths. Be careful of these people who carrying a youth around. Be careful of them. Even if you have a friend, and you give a friend your baby if you keep some time, still be careful. Because not, even sometimes, yo, you can't trust them, man. Enough of them, man. You can't trust them people. That's reality. Can't. So blessings, people. Enough love, enough respect. And please remember to do subscribe. When you do subscribe, please hit that notification bell icon so Newlink drop the video, then I will get them people. Remember to follow Newlink on Instagram, Newlink_production. Newlink Facebook page, Newlink production. And you don't know people, you want to get the Newlink hoodie them, the Newlink shirt them, check the link below, the video underneath in the description. Yeah man, you'll see the link there, just click on it and you can purchase and shop them. I don't know the thing of people. Enough love, enough respect. Remember these people. Attack them Newlink. Can't have them in a